friend of mine blew his funded account today. It was around 6,000. I told him to buy and trade, and he did a mistake which I want to educate everybody because um though he should I say okay, this thing wants to retest. I think this is 427. I'll call it a day here. Alright. But before I call it a day, let me just hold it a little bit till 6 p.m. So what I told is my friend to do, buy a funded account and start trading, which my friend accepted to. He bought the funded account. He was trying to trade. But unfortunately, these funded accounts, they have a limit that you can breach. And the limit you can breach is around like 6,000. You can breach per day 180 per each day. If you hit one, if 180 is left lost from your account each day, or 300 and something for each day, I think they would close the account. And that is one bad thing about funded accounts. So advise people to get funded accounts. That is one bad thing. Like if you hit those figures, your account is gone. Well, it's understandable from your side. They don't want to waste your money and give you that much leverage to try. But it's another bad thing from their side for you as a trader who might be purchasing this account and you don't know that you have a limit that you can, hit. And the funded this thing, they will say you've breached their this thing. And that is one thing I just wanted to talk about. So I told him to take this trade actually. This no, not this one. I told him to take this trade. Euro card. Euro card. I told him to take that trade actually. He took the trade, but he didn't calculate his stop loss. He just entered the trade without even thinking twice. And that was bad. Very bad. Your stop loss first. Calculation. Calculate how much you want to lose in this thing before you press that. The button is here. Before you press buy or sell. That is why I would advise I would, there's that there's that setting. I would advise if you um yeah, activate this setting so that before you buy or sell, is it here? There's one setting I would advise for everybody to activate. Before you buy or sell, you must put in how much you want to lose. That is what I would advise. Because the guy entered the market without even considering his amounts to loss. And that was that retestment here. This retracement, this green candle that was pushing up. So he just entered the market at these areas, told him sell, because it was going where it was selling. I told him sell. He just entered without thinking twice. And the account was wiped out today. 6K was breached today. I felt sorry for him. I couldn't. But, it's just a matter of time. He'll get another one, hopefully. I felt sorry for him. He was so furious. His money is gone. But too bad. Today was a very fantastic day. I think I need to close here. We're approaching evening, 4 p.m. Today was a very fantastic day. I want to close my positions, but let me keep it running for a little while. Whereas we talk about trades and potentials. I think I have how many? Okay, let's try to talk about potentials of what I'm thinking next for tomorrow. This trade, this BTC JPY is fantastic. If I want to take, I think I will make an end tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, if you to keep it up like this, BTC JPY, it has retested my EMA and it's pushing to the upside. So if I will keep this thing tomorrow, plan to keep it like this. Let me see. I'm risking 1,000, three. You're risking 1,003. Guess how much I'm going to think of my take profits. Because I know what's going to happen now is ranging to be ranging, and I don't think anything good will happen apart from ranging. So if I'm risking 1,003, 1,007, I'm looking at this high. Is it 4 hours? Is it not high? Jokes. Looking at this high. Either 8,000 or 10,000. Look at these two highs there. That is where my is on. That is for tomorrow, which is Friday. It's going to run so badly. We'll be expecting to see more on that. And SAU. SAU has broke my something. I just wanted to pierce and stay in this other side of my 50 EMB. Then I'll take it there. Alright. SAU will be fantastic for tomorrow. BTC JPY will be fantastic to buy tomorrow. Hopefully, if we come online by 8 o'clock, I'll see it. I'll make a summary before I'll enter any of the trade. And SEU gold and versus GDP would be fantastic to be sold tomorrow if it will do what I want it to do. That my green EMA has to be crossed first before I'll be confident more. Alright, that is by the way. GDP JPY, we are still buying. Actually, I would have bought today, but I said no, let me leave it. But now it has given me this characteristics that is still going high. We will buy tomorrow. If I want, I will buy. If I don't want, I will not. US 500 index was said. I can say now, but no, it's way past my trading time. I want to close all the trades I have right now because all these trades I have right now, I have to let them go. And tomorrow, sis, what I do every day, I come to trade in the morning by 8 a.m. and I close my trade by 6 p.m. in the evening because in the morning, 8 a.m., 8 a.m. I enter position or 9 a.m. enter position. By 2 p.m., I analyze to check if 4 hours has completed. If 4 hours has completed, 2 p.m. is the New York opening. If you're using Nigeria Standard Time, New York opening is 2 p.m., whereas 8 a.m. is London opening section. So I trade these two times. Then towards 2 p.m. to 6 p.m., New York is getting weak. The Asia people are coming in, so I'm running away. So 6 p.m., let's see 7 p.m. probably I'm out of the market completely. 7 p.m. in the night. Okay, we have talked about GDP, JPY. We're buying tomorrow. Um, BTC, Bitcoin, silver. What are we doing tomorrow? Bitcoin, silver. If I'll enter, I'll buy tomorrow. This is fantastic, but I can't buy this night. It's already late. Alright. Bitcoin, silver, fantastic. 500 US 500 index. Said I'm buying tomorrow. I'm in 4 hours time frame behind you. And guys, this is a trade I currently am holding. US 30 Wall Street 30 index. It's retesting, so I have to close this trade right now. Okay, since it's retesting, we have to go. Oh, I just want to keep it for some time more. We have to go. Let me hold it a little bit longer. Once I'm done talking, then I'll close. Let me analyze more pairs. So this other one was a up low trend. It just starts crashing Euro Canadian dollars. So maybe I'll keep this pair overnight because it still has potential. Look at my targeted take profit. Just that it's already late. There's the issue. Okay, trade with this trade blew my friend's account. He bought a funded account. It blew it because of he didn't put his stop loss and he did a mistake by entering with large numbers of lot size. He went to use 10 to buy. Was it 10 or 20 to buy in a very small tiny account? That is crazy. So immediately the trade went for a test, and that was this green candle here. Immediately it went for a retest. That was it. That was it. Took out everything. So please, stop loss is very important. Calculate your stop loss before you hit these. See these two buttons here. Before you press on these two buttons. Calculate your stop loss. Canadian dollars we are buying tomorrow. Oh, sorry, we're selling tomorrow. Canadian dollars. Oh God, what is happening? All the trades are crashing. Oh more. This one is Euro AUD. We're selling tomorrow. We're still selling. We're still on a downward trend until it says otherwise. Euro AUD, but we have to wait for the entry. Where can I enter this trade? I can enter this trade here. This is touching the EMA. Here is a potential entry. So this guy has to come and touch this EMA. Then I'll take another second entry if I wish to set tomorrow. GDP, man, all the trades are even good, Seth. I don't know. This is fantastic. GDP, Euro GDP, Euro Great Britain, guys, we are selling tomorrow. This is fantastic. Euro JPY. Euro JPY would actually be selling tomorrow, so I'll be waiting to see if the Euro JPY. Okay, we'll be buying tomorrow. Yeah, it has come to its EMA there and it's retesting it to push to the upside. I think that is fantastic. And and this one is Euro USD. Euro USD. I would actually be looking for continuous sell tomorrow, but I will look for an entry to enter the entry and sell it then to this end point. This lower low must be broken. If not broken, we must come close to it, and that is it. Hopefully, waiting for that. Let me add more pairs just to retour this thing because I feel like maybe some people are not interested to trade whatever I'm trading. They might want to look for other pairs. I just do more top-down analysis for them. And how do I do my top-down analysis? I'll even teach it right now. Let me add a little bit here, then I'll teach my top-down analysis and tell you how I do it and how I make my trade decision. Alright, see. For example, I have all these pairs which is being out there. Let me take any random one. AUD JPY. the GPY. If I want to sell, if I want to enter the trade, mostly I just check the weekly time frame. What is it doing? You can see support trend. You don't have to disturb yourself. The EMA is telling me support trend, no issue. Just go on daily time frame, upward trend. Week 4 hours is telling me the same thing. Why not wait for an entry? This is an entry here. In these 4 hours, here is an entry. It's closed here. I can just buy from there. I can even come and buy tomorrow and go along with it. We're just following the trend. You understand? We're following the trend. I have two EMAs there. This is my red EMA, my green EMA. Red is 9, green is 50 EMA. Alright. We're still holding the trade and it's going down. Hopefully, I need to close this trade. Okay, let me just. So, talking about the EMAs, anything that has to do 1 hour, anything that has to do with 15 minutes, anything that has to do 5 minutes, anything that has to do with 1 minute, count me out. I'm not interested. I'm only interested with what has to do with 4 hours, 1 day, and 1 week, and that is it final. Nothing additional, nothing subtractional. All right. So hopefully we'll see to that. So tomorrow, if we get an entry, AUDJPY, of course, we can enter. To make money in this forex trade is very easy. If you have, like me, I have the guarantee that this trade has closed here, going to this upside, nothing will cause it to come down and take me out. The chances of it coming down to take me out is 0.0%. Now, let's see. This one is even using these numbers to count for me. Let's see. I used huge account, huge lot size. Then I bought there for 10. The only sacrifice you have to do is just to just to give it its stop loss. How much you thinking to risk? If it does that, I'm out of that market. It's anchor. So how much am I looking to get? This is 1:1. Sef. 1:1 has been achieved, but we'll still come on. Oh, 1:1 has been achieved. If you get this amount of money in a day, you need to be happy. So that is my trade analysis, though. All right. Any pairs you want to talk about? Let me see. Trade analysis for tomorrow. Let me see. Card GPU. Someone just telling me about this pair yesterday. That this pair was boom, boom. It went up. This was nice. This was nice. So, card GPU. If I want to enter, I'm buying tomorrow. It's just crazy the way I'm trading. My trading style is a very all the pairs I have. Any pairs I open, I'll see option. No, I'm selling, but this one will be I will be so scared in selling that much. But this one is to sell, but it will be so scary because of my MA is telling me this one. Oh goodness, my battery. I need to charge my phone. My EMA is telling me that if we are selling, we should be careful. And I will not want to. All the pairs I've been saying I'll buy, I'll sell, I'll buy, I'll sell. This one, I'll just avoid it. Carry wherever they go. Because this pair is not well balanced for me. Oh, this is 15 minutes. Ah. Man, this one, I see your waiting to come down, touch my EMA and give me decision before I'll do anything about it. So, but potential, I'll be buying. Potentially, I'll be buying. And let me see if there's any previous candle. She can make this single to 1 week. Is this the highest of the week? The week is from month, abi? It is year. This week. This is 2024. This is 2025. And this is 2026. Wow. The week is for year. Let me see. This is the highest of Australia dollar New Zealand in the past 5 years. In the past 5 years, the highest. Is this the 5 years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the past 7 years, the highest ever that has been recorded. All right. That being said, if you have any question, then you can leave it in the comment section below. Don't leave it in the comment box. Oh, let me off this comment box. Ah, God, my phone just fell. Don't leave your question in the comment box here. All right, leave your question after I post any video. Leave your question in the video, then I will be able to identify. But for here, I won't be able to come. Let me carry my money and start going. Good night, yeah. Or I've predicted the market for tomorrow 22. Okay, we'll just manage that one. We'll use it and buy pure water. Nothing, just a small cash. Nothing serious. I got funded just yesterday, and I just give me what's happened. I got funded just yesterday. I just broke the account right now. I broke the I broke the funding account. I got funded about, was it 8,000? Okay, it was 6,000. I got funded in this account yesterday. So I was supposed to get 600. I got funded yesterday. I was supposed to get 600 back. But guess what happened? I got 21,000 in 2 days. It's not even up to 2 days. Yesterday and today. It's not 2 days now. In a day, I got 21K back. my, my guy went to trade with me. I gave him my pattern of trading. More. The guy went to blow his account. All right. That being said, have a very nice night. Tomorrow I'll come and do analysis before I take my trade. And I'll do analysis before I take trade. And after the trade, I'll do analysis on how it's progressing. You can do one thing if you want to trade with me. Once I do my analysis and take my trade, then I'll just come online to follow me, take your own trade at the same time. If I lose, you lose. so so be careful. You're not being forced to follow me, but if you want to follow the ideas which I'm giving, you follow me. When I do my trade, you do your trade. Then by 2 o'clock, I'll do another analysis. Why should I close or why should I keep holding? Because I trade just twice in a day, and that is 8 o'clock in the morning and 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So 2 o'clock I add extra trade if I wish to, or 2 o'clock in the afternoon I end any trade which is not going to my. If I see a trade which is not doing what I want, I don't take chances. For example, this is a 4 hours candle, right? Okay, this is 1 week. This is a 4 hours candle. All right. Okay, now I've taken. Let's say, for example, I took this trade, and this trade has come here this far, and now this one is moving on. If it just closes this last 4 hours candle, I'm out, and that is 2 o'clock. We make that decision. I'm out. I'm not patient at all because this thing is more we're risking. All right. All right. That being said, thank you for watching. Have a very wonderful day.